What's going on YouTube? Ty back with xking.com. Hit you with another video. In today's video, I'm going to answer the question, who makes more money, Mixer or Twitch? Now, this is Mixer.com. This is where I stream my online stuff. And as you see here, here's my profile here. Here's my channel. If you want to follow my channel, I appreciate it. It's my channel here. And this is my videos I've recently done. You see, they're kind of old, but I download all your videos to edit. So the question is, who is better, Twitch or Mixer? But let's put this disclaimer out. I have not made any money from Twitch or Mixer. Okay, let's put that out there first and foremost. In order to make money, you got to be, a big time deal on these sites. Okay, so I want to put that out there first and foremost. I had not made money on Mixer or Twitch, but I'm gonna tell you, I streamed on Twitch, I stream on Mixer, and which one I like the most. Now, Twitch is a big platform. I'm trying to do the games here. Twitch is a big time platform, okay? Twitch is a huge platform. Okay, so when I got on Twitch, I was streaming a lot and I couldn't break, 3 or 4 views because either one, the game is oversaturated with players. I'm playing Call of Duty and there's like 100 people playing Call of Duty. So it's kind of hard. And the top player is like a professional gamer who go to tournaments all the time. So it's kind of hard to compete with that. And then you have, women up there who got a lot of views too. And I can't compete with that. I mean, it was me up there, a woman up there. She's going to win on the views because most people will see the girl play anyway. Because it's fascinating. Because while I was younger, having seen a girl play video games is rare. It's like rare. Most women don't play video games. Let's keep it real. They don't play video games. Some do. But the ones that do, that stream about it, is rare. So it's hard. You have a lot of women up there that takes a lot of attention. So it's kind of hard to get noticed. So I see that on Mixer, not Mixer, on Twitch. And no matter what game you're playing, it's hard to break some views unless you stream all the time and you have a big personality, you have a big social following. That's the only way I can see you really cracking the code per se. With Mixer, it's not as big as Twitch, so you get noticed a little bit better. But I did get a couple views while playing Borderlands 3, which is not pretty good. I don't stream maybe once a week, so it's kind of hard for my schedule with my son and working 40 plus hours and working online business and keeping the house up. It's hard to stream all the time. I don't have the time to do it. So that's why I choose Mixer because I like the platform. I like the platform. I love the app. Twitch is great too. I like Twitch too. But I like Mixer because it's a smaller crowd. I'm not a big time gamer, so it depends. It depends. So who makes the most money? Well, here's the pro and con with Mixer. Mixer, it's a possibility to make more money, but there's less people on the platform, so you'll make money, but be less. Twitch is a bigger platform than Mixer, so you can make more money, but it's so saturated and so many people on it, it's kind of hard to get views. So it's hard both ways to look at it. But here's my suggestion to anybody. What I would do is pretty much you won't make money while you're playing video games. This is pretty much you won't make money playing video games. What you could do is you can stream on Twitch or Mixer, save your streams, and like you said here, I'm showing you my stuff. Like these previous games here, it will save your stream. Get an edit software. Your laptop has one, or I use Filmora. Get a streaming, editing software. Edit the videos and put them on YouTube. Okay, build you a YouTube channel. It's free. Edit the video and upload that to YouTube and get some views. And over time, you can make some money on ad revenue. Okay, and it's easy. Okay, now editing videos is not the easiest thing to do. It's hard because a lot of buttons, and you gotta be creative. You gotta really sit there and think, and you gotta edit good parts out, bad parts out. You got to make sure you have a great title, create a thumbnail. It's a lot of work with editing process, but the more you do it, the faster and the better you become. Okay, so that's my recommendation. Number one, get you a YouTube channel and upload your streams once you edit it to YouTube. Number two, to make money online is affiliate marketing. With your YouTube videos, you can advertise your game you're playing, the gear you're using. You can advertise ClickBank products. Some ClickBank products have some gaming products. You can promote those as well. You can promote that on your YouTube channel and on your Twitch and Mixer channel. Okay. Another way you get, make money. You could build a blog around your channel. You could build social media accounts around your game channel, on your YouTube and your Mixer channel. You want to get people inside watching your content. So pretty much with gaming, you got to get people know who you are. You know what I'm saying? And your content is good. That's the only thing about gaming. Gaming is easy to break because you got to let people know who you are, have a clever name, placement, and be consistent in streaming. So you stream twice a week, you must stream twice a week. If you stream once a week, you got to stream once a week. But that's the key in breaking Mixer and Twitch. You got to consistently stream, build your social following, and do it that way. So that's my recommendation to make money online, make money with Mixer and Twitch. So who makes the most money? It doesn't matter. Just pick it doesn't matter because both have pros and cons. I choose Mixer because Mixer is a smaller group. I get more views on Mixer than Twitch. Mixer with the Xbox is flawless. You hit the Xbox button. You slide it twice. Go to broadcast. Hit up stream, and you're streaming. Twitch is easy too, but it's a little easier with Mixer, and they'll save your stream for 14 days. I just feel a little bit easier for me. I pick one and stick with it. And also stick with it. Edit your videos. YouTube channel. Make sure on your YouTube channel you link to your Mixer account so people know. Hey, I'll just put the schedule below the video. Hey, I stream from 2 a.m. Thursdays from 1 to 4 in the afternoon. Put that there so they'll look for you when it's time for you to stream and build traffic and build viewers to your stream. So that's just my video. Who makes more money, Mixer and Twitch? It really doesn't matter. Just pick a platform, stick with it, and also build things around your channel versus a YouTube channel. Build that channel. You could build a blog or a website around your channel, YouTube channel. So you could build a lot of things outside of your stream. I'm a big fan of having multiple streams of income as well. So this is one way to have multiple streams of income coming in. And yeah, that's it for my video. Any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But I'm going to say this real quick and we get off. 15 years ago, there was no way to make money playing video games unless you sold games or you're really good at the game and go to tournaments. But there was no internet back then. And then when internet came out, it was really slow. It was dial-up. You couldn't play the games online. But now you could pretty much. You could pay someone $5. You could pay someone if you have a 3-hour clip. You could send that video to somebody on Fiverr. You're paying $5 and they'll edit the video for you. So you can make money from and put on YouTube channel. You can make money from this. You can make a lot of money. I think people make $5K, $10K per month on YouTube from AdSense from uploading videos. So guys, take advantage of it. Don't worry about who makes more money. Just do the content, stream, stay consistent, help people out, create a YouTube channel, upload consistently, and make the money. And pretty much you make more money on YouTube than you do with Twitch and Mixer, in my opinion. You can run ads on Mixer and Twitch, but YouTube is 24 hours. See, you make more money with YouTube than anything else. See, there's also YouTube gaming as well. I'm missing that. There's Mixer, YouTube gaming, and Twitch. See, with streaming, you got to stream and make money. If you're not streaming, you're not making money. So streaming is almost like a job. With YouTube, People are constantly watching videos day in and day out while you sleep, while you're eating dinner, while you working out. People are always watching your videos. So it just makes sense to get on YouTube and anything else. So that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like the video, share the video. Who's your favorite platform? And does what I'm saying make sense to you? Does what I'm saying make sense? My name is TylerSKing.com. And thanks for watching.